Hello friends, I am Dinesh Kumar. Present I am studying Vishnu Institute of Technology, BTech second year. Today I am going to explain about my sign up page or login page. We are using NPM packages and database file store database and uh, and Express NPM package. Here mainly Express package used to create roads for my website, and then I install NPM package and file store admin package like that. So when go to package JSON, you can also see that I install this type of packages here, namely Express Firebase admin like this. So then I show up my code in here. So this is our code. This is my code. Here we see basic file store database keys robokey.json. This key is from file store website. I shown up here right now. So here this is the key. Here I got it from file store database. Then insert the key in my code for accessing for storing the user data. So this is the basic code of Firestore data to connect the code input of code. So then I created the files collection files to data file store data. Then I this is the path of my folder to access the user. Then I created the login row, and in here email and password are given. I shown up my output of my code, then you get understand, right? And I given another row, namely sign in row, and in this also I given email and password also. Okay, this is the code of my, and here I also implemented HTML code for my website. So this is our HTML. This is the basic code. Okay. So I shown up my output now, right now. So when I enter node space file name, so okay, this server is already started. So then I go to into I forgot one thing tell you, that is I here used the 3000 port number. This port number is indicates the website. Okay, when your server is on, you get Jai Sri Ram, that is the indication of our server is starting. Okay, when go to 3000 port number. So this is my website. Here we tell email. So when I give some random email right now here, and I given triple V 4 V's. So then sub register here. So we get you sign in successful with BTK Rise. Okay, this email. Then again go to login page right now. So this is the email here. I also this email. Then I given password which I entered earlierly in sign up page. So 4 B's. Then submit. So login successful. Here I sign up here. The data will store in database right now. So I shown my data is stored in file store right here. So here in file store database I given BDK Rights email, password is 4 V's. So when the user is sign up here, the data is also stored like email ID and password ID, right? So this is my entire project here. Okay, this is login page by using Firestore database. The information is stored in Firestore database. Okay, by using Express Node.js and HTML, CSS and NPM packages right now. So thank you.